to make a glowing soap. We use this kit to make a glowing soap. So we need to use these things: glow powder, rose sand, blue color, glycerin flakes, and a measuring cup. So let's start. We need this book, page number 11. Break a glycerin flake into small pieces. Fill the measuring cylinder up to the top with these small pieces. Second number, microwave glycerin pieces for 10 seconds. Until it melts. In case you don't have a microwave, ask an adult to place the measuring cylinder in boiling water to melt the glycerin pieces. So let's melt. Look, it's get melted. Step 3. Add 1-2 drops of color. So blue color, I use blue color. V1, and 4 drops of sand. This is a rose scent. We can use any scents. Now add 1 cup of glow powder. Now stir the mixture. Properly. Now look, its color get changed. Pour it into the mold. So we get a spoon, so I take. Now look, it's done. Step 4. Keep the mold in the freezer for 20 to 30 minutes. Now 30 minutes are over. Now we're taking out soap. So let's check. It has become solid. So let's check it is glowing or not. Step 5. Tap and press the back of the mold in order to release the soap. So we have wow! We made a soap. Look. It smell is very pleasant and very nice. I made a soap first time. Now check it is glow or not. So let's start. Oh wow, it's amazing. Very nice. So have you seen? It's like a magic. Did you see? When you wash your hand with soap and water, leather gets from the soap. Leather washes away the oil and dirt from your hands. Science behind this. Soaps are made of salts of fatty acids. One part of the soap particle attracts water and the other part attracts oil. Thus it removes the oil and dirt from your hand. Mix it with water and wash it away. So you like the video, share and subscribe. So bye friends.